Installation instruction of automatic edge grinding machine. Prepared by clients. 6 square meters for core cable, 8 mm eye tube, air compressor, and lubricating oil. Take out 4 adjustable foot piles and 1 metal supporting leg from the wooden accessory box. Install them on 4 legs. No need to tighten up. Install the metal supporting leg lastly. Plug in power. Notes: connect the now line correctly. Plug in 8 mm air tube and connect the water pipe. Turn on power. Click the right corner of the screen, English, and then enter into the system. Operate the joystick to right the nose. Take off the wood block. Click spindle, then click again to stop the spindle. Check the main motor operates whether in right direction. If with inversion, turn off the power. Swipe 2 leaf wires on the main power line. Leveling equipment, bi-level or infrared array. By using 4 adjustable foot piles and 1 metal supporting leg. Install the handle. Press a pneumatic switch. Install the empty handle on the main motor. Move the spindle to the most left. Operate the joystick. Let the knife handle get close to the workbench side. Move the equipment to the right. After the equipment moves to the most right, the distance from the knife handle to the workbench shall be consistent in the same distance. It is OK. If the distance between the knife handle and workbench becomes smaller and smaller, must stop. Do the joystick to back the knife handle. Move it to the right. Get the knife handle close to the workbench side, and then move to the left. Move to the most left. Check whether the gap between the knife handle and workbench is the same. If with arrows, must get to the electric box. Adjust the left arrow. Then pull out the plug on the right drive. Then connect the PLC 20 with 21 external line. Operate the joystick to get close to the workbench. Plug back the right drive in electric box. Separate the PLC 20 from 21 external line. Adjustment completed. If still with arrows, then make adjustment again until achieving the same values at both sides. Principle 1. If in need of adjustment at the left, then unplug the wire on the right drive. Short circuit between PLC 20 and 21. Adjust it accordingly. 2. If in need of adjustment at the right, then unplug the wire on the left drive. Short circuit between PLC 20 and 21. Adjust it accordingly. 3. After adjustment, plug it in properly. Put PLC 20 and 21 into the slot separately. Operating instruction of automatic edge grinding machine. Click English to enter into the English mode. Click Enter System. Click the grinding screen to enter into the system. Select vertical grinding and then adjust the automatic into the menu. Notes: must be adjusted the main motor of 7.5 kW in the first. Then can click Return to 0. The up and down and forward and withdraw numbers are 0.000 on the screen. Put the stone on the workbench. Use a ruler to determine its position. Then fix the stone. Notes: Please use the same ruler in each model stone's processing. Install and screw the set of polish tools on the knife handle. Operate the joystick to move number 1 nail mount wheel to the corresponding position of the stone. Select the grinding lungs and click on number 1 knife right into grind. Then click the feed origin to light the number behind number 1 knife as 0.000. Finally, click the spindle turn on the main motor. Operate the joystick to conduct the stone on molding processing. After that, stop the spindle. Check the number behind number 1 knife. 1.000 represents 1 mm. For example, 9.420, then click the coordinate. The numbers will slate by 4 times. First of all, put numbers into 4 columns. For example, conduct the slating by 1. 4.000, 2. 7.000, 3. 9.000, 4. 9.420. The numbers are accumulated 4 mm at the first time, 3 mm at the second time, so 4 plus 3 equals 7. 2 mm at the third time, so 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9.420 mm at the fourth time, total 9.420. More feeding in the front, less feeding a month later. That is, bigger contact surface between the stone and their mount wheel. The specific parameter will be according to customer's demands. Click Return. Start to set up the position of the rough casting wheel of number 2 knife. First of all, use the cross switch to adjust the positions of the roughing wheel and stone accurately. Click the spindle to start the main motor. Start with polishing. Upon the completion of rough polishing of stone, stop the spindle and click number 2 knife into grind. Number 2 wheel represents the rough polishing wheel. Click the feed origin until the number behind number 2 knife turning into 0.000, which represents the determination of the initial position of number 2 knife. Number 3 knife is the finishing wheel. The true setting of the finishing wheel of number 3 knife is consistently with that of the rough polishing wheel of number 2 knife. After polishing, click number 3 knife and feed origin. If the number behind the number 3 rough polishing wheel turns into 0.000, it represents the determination of the initial position of number 3 knife. Note, the number 1 knife is the their mount wheel. Hit the stone, click on the number 1 knife for the grain and point the feed origin. Number 2 knife and number 3 knife should be grain after polishing and click the feed origin. Click the machine's parameters. Number 1 represents the their mount wheel. 4 times in the previous operation. Here 4 means 2 cycles. Note, if the their mount wheel is no loss, no compensation. Number 2 represents the rough polishing wheel. 2 times is 1 cycle. According to customer demands in details, the polishing wheel needs to add 0.050. 1.000 represents 1 mm. The specific compensation shall be based on customer demand. In general, add 0.02 to 0.05 for artificial stone. Add 0.1 to 0.3 for marble and granite. Number 3 represents the finishing wheel, set up 2 times according to customer demands. We need to add 0.060 for finishing wheels. The number of knives, 3, represent the 3 grinding wheels. Select automatic change, feeder reset position choice, 100 to 150. Click Manual into Automatic on the screen. Then change the stone. Use the same ruler to the way just like the first one. After securing the stone, click Run. The equipment will start automatic processing according to the given procedures. Workers only change the stone. Notes: after the machine was turned off, if you need to turn on the machine again, please return to 0 to ensure that the 0 position of the machine will not move. In the processing, polishing wheel in the manual of the first block must use slow speed operation. If with any faults during use, please open the electric box and check numbers displayed on the indicator light above PLC according to guidance of technicians. Technicians will determine fault points in first time and advise for parts exchange timely.